Welcome to the Big 5 Problem series by Startic Field, where we'll discuss about the top 5 best problems in the industry to solve for and create $1 million startup opportunity. So, if you are an aspiring entrepreneur, then this is the series which you were looking for. In this video, we'll be talking about the retail industry, a marketplace full of hidden opportunities. Mr. Shiv Kumar T, who is a senior manager at Bain & Company, has expressed the 5 big problems of the domain where you can brainstorm and create something of an opportunity and become the next retail king. So get ready with your earphones and pen and paper to note down the points, and let's get started.
In retail sector today, the one thing which I'm talking about, major firms, right? Major companies that are slightly $1 billion more companies. If you're targeting that segment, the primary thing that they would talk about is speed and convenience. Like how quickly are you able to deliver your items to your customers? And the speed is not just about delivery. It's also about when a customer enters a store, how quickly is he or she able to complete shopping, get the items packed, finish the payment, and get out of the store. So speed is in both these sides, both on in-store experience and on online experience. So if you have any ideas to reduce the time taken to complete a transaction, either online or offline, which is in a store, that is something that would be really impactful. The second problem is in these 4 5 months, let's assume that not even assume, you know for a fact that not all of them are going to stay back, right? But they've just joined right now. And within 4 months, they will be trained in the operations of the retailers. Retail is a very complicated operation. It's not just about, standing in the aisle and then saying, what do you want, ma'am? No, it's not just that. There are a lot of other activities which a store associate does. So how do you train these people properly? Train these people in a very, very short time. You don't have like 2 months to give training. 2 months is like half the time they're going to spend in the company, right? You cannot spend 2 months just on training. So you have probably like 1 or 2 days at the maximum to train them. And then most of the training is on the job. So the second problem that retailers have because of this talent problem is how quickly can I train this workforce so that they are maximum useful for me and also being less damaging to the retailer as a brand, right? They need to do a few things right. They should also not do a few things. Only by doing a combination of this, they can stay true to the brand. There is literally too much noise around the world, and only email that grabs your attention, only message that grabs your attention. The only way a brand can only pop up that grabs your attention is when they are one-to-one, when they are being relevant to me. They know that, okay, Shiva is a person who's living in Bangalore. He has these interests. He wants to do this. So if the brand is very specific to my ask, I'm clicking on that, or else I'm not even clicking on that. I can just ignore that message, right? I don't even look at it. People talk about Apple. They're not talking about the functional aspects of the phone. They're talking about something more inherent. They feel that it makes them feel this way. I feel that this is like it's like owning this is a pride for me. It's a thing which I'm very proud about. It is making me feel very athletic, right? I mean, not all shoes are athletic, so there is no difference between them. But still, we are moving beyond the functional aspects of a brand. Similarly, in retail, what happens is retailers are the way they're communicating to their customers to target them, to acquire them, to retain them. It's moving beyond just saying, "Hey, I have a store. I've got like 10,000 items in it. Come and spend your time here and buy some items." They're not making these messages. They're saying beyond the transaction, they're becoming more, they're talking about ESG. They're talking about ESG meaning environmental, sustainability, and governance. ESG is a very, very important topic that is happening in retail today, where people are becoming more environmentally conscious and they are targeting those customers. Customers are also inclining more towards brands environmentally conscious and becoming more good there, right? If you can help retailers move beyond the general day-to-day transactions and move towards things which will help them differentiate from the competition, that is like one of the best areas for you to look for.